everybody, welcome to our virtual open house exclusive tour of our residence halls. My name's Alicia. I am a junior here on campus studying forensic science with an emphasis in chemistry. Today I will be showing you around our newest residence hall, Guadalupe Hall, so come with me. Guadalupe Hall is our newest and largest residence hall. Built in 2018, Guadalupe houses 307 students. Each floor has a study lounge with microwave. The laundry is located on the first floor, and you can get an app on your phone so you get a message when your laundry is done. And here we are at my room, so come on in. Guad is all suite style living, which is where you, your roommate, and 2 others share a bathroom. Each room has a sink in the room, as well as each person gets a bed, desk, and closet.
Hi guys, I'm Alia. I'm a sophomore and an environmental science major here at Eastern. I'm going to be showing you around Eddy Hall. Follow me. Each floor in Eddy has a communal area where events are put on. In the first floor communal area, we have our TV, along with our pool table, our foosball table, and our ping pong table. All of these items are available to be rented out by an RA. The laundry in Eddy Hall is located in the basement. The second floor communal area is where our computer lab is. It is also where we have a microwave available for student use. On the third floor communal area, we have a microwave along with our kitchen. You are able to rent out the kitchen with your RA, and all of the items in the kitchen are available for student use. Now we're here at my room. Come on in. Because I'm an RA, I have a different setup or style of room than most of the other residents in Eddy. So one thing you'll notice that's going to be different is my room is a little bit smaller, and my closet is not built into the wall, it's separated from the wall. One of the main differences between the other halls and Eddy is the built-in shelving units you can find on the back side of your room. Each room in Eddy has its own sink. My room doesn't have 2 beds, but every other room in Eddy will, because you will most likely have a roommate.
My name is Emerina LaCour. I am a freshman here at ENMU, and I am an elementary and special education major with a minor from my bilingual endorsement. We are currently in front of Curry Hall. This is the residence hall where I live. Our doors are accessible by your student ID, which acts as a key card to get in the doors. Let's go see the inside. When you first enter our building, you will see lots of places to sit and hang out. Our residents will sometimes do homework here. Our RAs will host events. Over here is our kitchen area that me and my friends love to check in our IDs at the front desk and get the keys to unlock all of the cabinets and cook and bake down here. This is our laundry room. Each wash and dry costs a penny. We also have a non-gendered bathroom that includes a shower that any resident of Curry Hall can use. This is our computer lab. It is on the 2nd floor of our building. There are lots of computers that you can sit at and study and do homework, as well as a printer that we can use. And on the other side, around the corner, we have the microwave for the 2nd floor. Every floor of every dorm hall has its own microwave. On our 3rd floor, we have the Curry Cave. This is a spot that a lot of our residents will come to hang out. We have another pool table up here, as well as a ping pong table and a foosball table. Our Curry Cave will sometimes host movie nights that our RAs will put on. This is my room. Let's go check it out. The dorms in Curry have beds that can be lofted to any height or bunked if you choose to do so with your roommate. We also all have a wardrobe, a dresser, a bookshelf, and a desk that we can use. The desks are great places to study if you ever find yourself studying in your dorm. Our rooms also each have a sink area, but it is a communal style building, so all of our bathrooms and showers are in one place in each hall.